Partinay, dating San Fernando Vice Mayor Jimmy Lasatin King Board ng Clark International Airport Corporation ay ni-report.
Sinumpaya ni Jaime o Jimmy Tirona Lasatin bilang acting member ng Board of Directors ng Clark International Airport Corporation o CIAC king pamanimuna ng Department of Transportation o DOTR Secretary Vince Dizon. Megsilbiya Lasatin bilang dating vice-alkalde ng Siyudad San Fernando. Ing kayang karanasan king lokal gobyerno, asahan kanong makasaup karing proyekto ng CIAC, partikular na king panyulong ng Clark Aviation Capital. Kabilang karing prioridad ng ahensya ing pamanyunduda ring infrastruktura kalupa ng North-South Commuter Railway, amanuglong king Clark International Airport, New Clark City at Metro Manila. Ing CIAC, metro niyang subsidiary ng Bases Conversion and Development Authority o BCDA, amanibala king 2,367 hektaryang Clark Aviation Capital. King istorya na Patricia Mamangon. Ako po Lawrence Tolentino para king News Force, Pampanga. Balitang tutu, King Balen, Susuyu.